So here's MiniShorts app. So just tap get and then yeah, you're able to double click and install this app. This is one of the new mini pocket dramas app where you can have some quick episodes, endless fun, vertical short videos. It's a streaming platform that offers a wide variety of content. Searching for some great entertainment, look no further than MiniShorts. So yep, there is a price for $15 per month, which is a cheaper price than some other apps in these categories. But yeah, let's just open it up. And then here you have an overview, then you have my list, then you have your profile. You can get also some rewards just for checking in, and yeah, you just getting some vouchers by watching ads, by logging in with Facebook, and yep, so that's what it is. You can also log in. I don't know if you can refer friends here. And then here, that's just what you have here. So yep, that's what you have here. That's the idea, and that's what it is.